Good morning, everyone. My name is Fee.
And I'm Zijie.
Welcome to our very first e-open house at NUS Engineering.
Thanks for checking in with us with such an early hour. I believe you can't wait to hear what NUS Engineering has to offer.
That's right. So today, NUS Engineering has such an amazing lineup of activities and programs just for you. And if you don't already know, we will be going live on all our social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram.
Yep, this morning we'll be sharing with the program lineup of the day with you, so you can tune in with us to find out more about our amazing courses, programs, and student life. In fact, at 10 a.m., which is now, Duke NUS will be sharing with us our Engineering to Medicine track program, and you can find them out on the website on the Engineering e-Open Day website.
At 11 a.m., our very own Biomedical Engineering department will be having their own webinar live session. So you can check in on them to find out more about their curriculum and career prospects.
Right. Thereafter, at 12 p.m., we have a live session with our very own students and professors where you can ask any questions and we'll answer them for you.
At 2 p.m., we'll be having our e-scholars program sharing by our own professors and students. So do check out to know more about the premier educational experience that will transform your life.
Yup. At 2:30 to 3 p.m., we have a live session with the IDP program to know about the creative and unique pathway that NUS Engineering has to offer.
Afterwards, at 3 p.m., BME will be having another live session, so do check them out if you've missed the one at 11.
Yup. Then at 4 p.m., we have a live session again with our very own students and professors where you can, if you miss out any questions earlier on, you can just drop by and let us know and we'll answer them for you.
In any case that you've missed anything that we've said just now, do drop by our NUS Engineering e-Open House website to look at the entire overview list of all the activities and programs. Meanwhile, you can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram as shown on the screen behind us.
Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to send them to us anytime, now, during the live stream. And with that, thanks for checking out with us and see you soon!